Welcome. In front of me I have Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch and I'm going to show you how we can set up parental control settings. At the first we have to use our remote control to enter right upper corner the settings. So click arrows and then click OK to enter the settings. Right now move to the channel, click OK. And right now we have to go for the parental controls. You can find it under the channel update messages. Click OK to enter and input your security pin. So in my case it's 1111. Next we have to move for the program restrictions. Click OK to enter. And right now let's go for the ratings at the bottom. Tap OK. And as you can see, right now we can choose one of the following options. For example, we can pick up the high restrictions. So you can pick it up by clicking on the OK. And after that, we can simply just go back. Yeah, the tap back button one more time. And here we can also, we have to go back to the parental control settings. Sorry guys, it was misclick. So enter, input your pin one more time. And when we are here, we can also change the pin. So let's go at the bottom, click OK. And then enter your currently pin. And right now we can set up the new. So let's go for 1, 2, 3 and 4. And input it one more time. And as you can see, it's finished. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.